Okay, so in today's video, I am going to talk about my number one Amazon FBA problem that I have been having recently, and that is staying in stock. Now, I know that is a good problem to have, but at the same time, it's not a good problem to have. We just passed Christmas, so items were flying off the shelves. Everyone was shopping on Amazon. You know, it's the peak shopping of the entire year. So I wanted to every year, let me preface this by every year around Christmas I run out of stock. So yeah, last year I told myself I will not be running out of stock. There's no way. So I decided to get ready for Christmas in May of last year by just ordering a lot of my number one selling products and ordering a lot of new SKUs. I want to expand my product line, and I just ordered a lot. Well, all of these delays then came. There was delays during manufacturing, there was shipping delays, there was this, there was that, there was holidays, we have so many other clients, and so we're backed up type of delays and just all sorts of stuff. So, long story short, by the time Christmas came, I had to have boxes air shipped to me because it was too late for sea shipping. And so I had them air shipped to me, and I got them before Christmas. Well, then I get them, but then I ship them to Amazon. And then I store them here at my place. And so anyhow, I sent several big boxes to Amazon, and then Amazon decides to not check them in. I don't know what happened. Did they lose them? Are they just very overwhelmed? I'm not sure. This is over a month and a half ago, and I still haven't seen those items being checked in. And according to the tracking number, they did arrive. Well, so because of this issue that I had, I now I do FBM. So whenever someone orders my best-selling product, I just ship it out myself, so I don't lose out on too many sales. Even though when you do FBM, you do lose out on sales because people like FBA. They just like the convenience. They like buying through Amazon because they know Amazon is trustworthy. Now, that being said, I am making it my goal of 2023 to not run out of stock. I am I'm mad at myself for letting this happen for every single year. So this year I'm not running out of stock, and I'm gonna really try my best to expand my SKUs. I want more variety in my products, and I am not going to run out of stock, so I'm gonna keep FBA really stocked up, I'm hoping. And yeah, so anyhow, that is kind of where my company is right now, just kind of out of stock of some things and waiting on Amazon to check them in. So I'm hoping they get that going. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.